Welcome back, everybody, or welcome if you're new. Today, for What's for Supper Wednesday, we're fixing a recipe from this book, Celebrating Southern Appalachian Foods, Recipes and Stories for Mountain Kitchen. If you watch Celebrating Appalachia, you'll know Tipper Presley and Jim Cassida wrote this book. And she also has a blog, The Blind Pig and ACORN, if you want to check that out. Okay, the recipe we're using is on page 70, and it's going to be oven meatballs. You're going to need 2 pounds of ground meat. This is probably 4 pounds. I'll be halving this. You'll need 1 cup of quick oats, not the instant. 1 cup of soft breadcrumbs. I've just got these. A half a cup of milk. 1 teaspoon of salt. You'll need flour. 1 envelope of dry onion soup mix. And 1½ cups of water. Okay, I've got your burger in a bowl. You're going to mix in your oats, your milk, your teaspoon of salt, your breadcrumbs, and you just mix that all up. Now you roll your meatballs. It says 2-inch meatballs. Then you roll it in flour and put in the casserole dish. I'll be back when I get these done. Okay, I got them all rolled. Now, take your envelope of onion soup mix and sprinkle it all around. Try to get all of them. Then you add your 1½ cups of water. I have my oven setting at 350, and this is going to go in the oven for 1 hour. Here they are out of the oven. We'll plate them up and see how they are. These only took 45 minutes. I may have made them smaller than the recipe.
Alrighty, folks, here's what Carolyn whipped up for supper. Let's give it a try here. It's good. Hold on 1 second. Delicious. Folks, this here was Jim Cassida's recipe in Tipper's cookbook. Well, her and his cookbook. And it was great. I'd like to thank y'all for watching. Carolyn did a great job cooking it here. Hope y'all have a great day. Lord willing, be seeing you Friday.
And I'll have the links in the description for the book and Tipper's channel.